Hi bright mind students. Today, we will practice to get better understanding of kinematics subject. An object moving straight west covers a distance of 60 meters in 10 seconds. It then moves straight south for 80 meters in 10 seconds. Calculate the average speed and average velocity of that object. To answer this question, we will create a free body diagram to illustrate the movement of that object. The object moves from point A to point B, traveling westward for a distance of 60 meters in 10 seconds. Then it will move south from point B to point C, covering a distance of 80 meters in 10 seconds. We are asked to calculate the speed, and to calculate the velocity of the object. For speed or average speed, the formula is s divided by t, where s represents the distance traveled. In this context, the distance refers to the movement from point A to point B, then from point B to point C. The distance, denoted as s, is calculated as the sum of AB and BC, which equals to 60 meters plus 80 meters equals to 140 meters. To calculate velocity or average velocity, the formula is s divided by t, but s in this formula represents displacement. In the diagram, displacement refers to the green line connecting the starting point A to the ending point C. Displacement considering only the initial and final positions, while ignoring the movement path taken. Now we can calculate the displacement or s using the Pythagorean theorem. S equals to the square root of AB square plus BC square. For AB, we have 60 meters. And for BC we replace it with 80 meters. Before calculating this, let's recall a special triangle with sides of 3, 4, and hypotenuse of 5 units. If we scale this triangle up by a factor of 20, we get its sides become 60, 80, and hypotenuse of 100 units. From this triangle, we know that the value of SAC will be 100 meters. Then, we can calculate the average speed equals to 140 meters divided by the time, which is 10 seconds plus 10 seconds, or 140 meters divided by 20 seconds, resulting in 7 meters per second. And now, for the average velocity of the object, we calculate it as 100 meters divided by the time, which is 20 seconds. This results in a velocity of 5 meters per second. That concludes our discussion for this topic. It's evident that the direction of movement significantly impacts the value of speed and the value of velocity. Thank you for joining our discussion on kinematics. Let's continue to have enthusiasm for learning together. And don't forget to support our channel.